It's New York Fashion Week, and I'm gonna be filming my most hyped day, which is the Coach Show. Previously, I went to a Prada event, I went to an H&M event. Here's a recap of some of my outfits. I literally had an amazing time at all of them, but Coach is so special to me because it's a brand that I've worked with multiple times. I love the team, and I love it. I just returned so many of my New York Fashion Week pulls. I literally had like 10 boxes, and I showed up at my mailbox at 9:30 in the morning chilling on the road. Now it's 10:45 and my driver is picking me up. They're picking me up at 12:55, so I need to get ready. This is my second Coach show I've went to. My first one was last season. I need to get my Coach outfit on. So for any of you that don't know how this stuff works, whenever a brand sends you something, they typically send it in a garment bag with their logo on it and it's addressed to you. It comes straight from their office. They'll either give you a sample or they'll give you gifting. In this case, they gave me gifting, so it isn't just one that's available and they've already been selling it. And I'm really excited. Look at how cute it is. And this is the bag. It's a little bit of a jump scare green, but I think we can make it work. I like how they sent me one ready to wear piece, so it's really up to me how I want to style this. I have Coach loafers, so I'm definitely gonna wear those. I got this tutu from Shoo Shoo Tong. I feel like this would be cute together. At the last Coach fashion show, there was paparazzi outside, and I was so taken back. I stepped outside of the car, and they were all like, shh, shh, shh. And then I realized I was walking right behind Lola Tongue from The Summer I Turned Pretty, and I was like, oh. Now I'm probably gonna film my little get ready with me TikTok. Cheers. Oh my God, my hair. One thing about me is I script all my get ready with me's because once I step in front of the camera, I'm like, what do I say? I have like 20 seconds of everyone's attention. This is the setup, babes. This light is incredible. God knows if we'll have time for this, but I'd love to DIY a watch choker for the show. That would be so cute. Last year I got paparazzi'd and it was such a jump scare, but very exciting. This is such a dank DIY, but I did it. We've got 1 hour before the show, so I'm gonna do my makeup real quick. I've been using Armani Beauty a lot. Makeup is done. Look at how cute these watch necklaces look. I never thought I'd say something like this, but my driver's gonna be here in like 20 minutes, so I gotta do a quick outfit check and start editing my video. Top is Coach. Accessories are all vintage, and this little cuff is from Alexis Bitar. Tights are Amazon, and loafers are Coach. My driver just texted me and said he's here, so I gotta go. Thank you so much. We got here a little early. We're just gonna circle the venue. I think we're gonna have to do a POV for the bag tour. A lip gloss, headache medicine, like way too much, and some mint. And my other thing that I have is my light. Just look at the difference. I'm gonna have to speed run it today because after the show I have an artist collab and I'm just gonna be doing interviews. I need to figure out what I'm actually gonna ask him. This is crazy. Red Coach with Nicole. The show was held at the Duke, which is basically a huge mansion. As people started trickling in, I headed over to my seat. There were so many street photographers and press outside. Then I started taking fit pics with my friends. The outfits were immaculate. But let's highlight the trends in the Coach show because I saw lots of repetition here and I think it'll be quite telling for what will be popular this spring. Starting with trench coats, everyone and their mother was wearing one on the runway, but I love them. Bows. I know that they were popular in 2023, but I think they're here to stay for 2024. They run everything. I've noticed a lot of brands are pushing Western wear this year, and Coach had their cowboy boots. Once the show ended, I took some BFA pictures, did a few interviews, and headed to my artist collab. I did a content collab with By Hayden, an artist that I met up with today. He was so funny. And I was gonna vlog it, but like I didn't want to be like it's just weird. You get it. It's uncomfortable for the whole program. If you hung around this long, thank you for watching. This was such a magical fashion week experience for me. I feel like I got to do a lot of things that I wanted to do. I know that I'm very lucky to be able to participate in this in any way. So I hope that my video inspired you or taught you something new or just something that you can eat your dinner to. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time.